Hello and welcome. This video is brought to you by thestreamingadvisor.com. Tailor your entertainment with streaming. What we're going to talk about in this video is YouTube's PrimeTime channels. If you're unfamiliar with PrimeTime channels, it's YouTube's foray into the marketplace for selling third-party streaming services and kind of, getting a little kickback as far as subscriptions and things like that. The appeal is that you can use one account to pay for all of your stuff. Kind of like, what they used to call bundling a lot in the TV world. It's a subscription service, but it's important to note that under the YouTube app, it is not under subscriptions. PrimeTime Channels is in the movies and TV section of your YouTube app. Now you're going to want to make sure that you have the newest YouTube app on your device. That if you can't update it, you might even want to just delete it and re-add it. You'll have to re-sign into your account and things like that. And you want to make sure that you have a card on file in your Google account. That way, you can browse the channels that are available and just choose something that you might want to subscribe to. And it becomes a one-click solution. And we all like simplicity, don't we? For instance, we're just going to jump on here on the Dove channel. And if you want to subscribe, you subscribe. Boom. Now we should be subscribed. We'll jump in and see if it changes the status of anything. Let's see. It still says try it for free, so it looks like we didn't subscribe completely. Maybe I tapped it too many times. But once you're actually in the channel itself, they make it a little easier. You can just jump on it. You choose something that you might want to see. It says try it for free. If you click on that, you'll get the option to try it for free and subscribe. It will ask you for permission to link it to your account. And really, you're done from that. Now, one of the reasons we made this video is there's a strong rumor reported in the Washington Post, in the Wallstreet Journal, and other major newspapers that says that Google is about to buy the rights to the NFL Sunday Ticket. NFL Sunday Ticket is a service that allows you to watch out-of-market games from wherever you live. And that's a big deal because it's never been available through a streaming service before. If this happens, NFL is going to be available through PrimeTime channels and YouTube TV and nowhere else. So, that's a big deal. That's why this is important. And we just thought that it would be helpful for people to understand how to do that when the time comes to check it out next season. I hope you found that helpful. We'll probably have a follow-up video as soon as it is, in fact, available on this service. If you did find this helpful and interesting, please subscribe. Smash the subscribe button. Share this video with your friends. Give us a like. Every little bit counts. As always, I'm Ryan Downey, the Streaming Advisor. Stream on, my friends.